Welcome to this Ansys How-To series. Real-world engineering problems often involve large mechanical assemblies. In such cases, modeling contact correctly between various components is essential to ensure that proper load transfer occurs between the contacting bodies, which in turn is necessary for obtaining accurate results. However, rigid body motion might occur in a mechanical assembly due to numerous reasons. It could be due to incorrect initial definition of the contact pairs or due to an initial gap between different components. Since a static analysis solver cannot solve for rigid body motion, this may lead to solver failure. In this course, we discuss ways to prevent solver failure arising from rigid body motion in contacts. We cover ways to ensure that initial contact conditions are defined correctly and show how to use contact stabilization damping in cases where an initial gap may be present between contacting parts. We also discuss how to monitor results of a nonlinear simulation while the model is solving in order to identify potential issues before the solve is complete, and thus saving valuable compute time. Let's get started.